Your funnels define your most readily quantifiable outcomes, customers, opportunities, leads, etc. However you define these funnel stages for your business and sales organization is up to you. You'll want to come prepared with some important data though. A clear definition of the funnel stages, the expected conversion rates from stage to stage, and the average value of the ultimate outcome, that being a new customer, a new partner, etc. Your funnels can be as simple or as complex as you need. Create one funnel or create multiple funnels to distinguish between different customer types, different product or service divisions, or geographic business units. Click New Funnel to begin. Add a descriptive enough name to make sure your funnels are clearly distinguishable from one another. We'll start with Managed Service Customer, and we'll also describe the objective associated with this funnel. This helps explain the logic from which the goal was derived. A common objective associated with a new customer funnel might be contribute 50% of pipeline required to meet the new business sales target. We'll paste that in here. Also, you'll want to enter the average order value or average deal size. What type of revenue recognition is this? Annual recurring in this case, and our total target, which we stated in the objective is 2.5 million. We'll also want to state our final funnel outcome, which in this case is a service customer win. Now, you'll be prompted to save your new funnel before you can complete all your stages and stage conversion entry. We'll click Save, and our new funnel is created. Opening it back up, we can now add our subsequent stages. From a service customer win, we have a service customer opportunity. And the expected conversion rate is 20%. We also have a service customer lead that precedes the opportunity. Its conversion rate from lead to opportunity is 15%. Now, when you're done, your funnel calculates the value of each stage and also automatically creates a related set of objectives and key results. And you can find your objectives and key results under Objectives.